In the given question, a block on a long table, the block B, is tied by massless ropes to two hanging blocks. Initially, block C is moving downward with non-zero velocity. The static and kinetic friction between blocks B and table are given to be 0.3 and 0.1 respectively. Now we need to find out the correct option. Acceleration of the block C, whether it is upward, downward, whether it comes to rest or not. Acceleration of the block to be 0 at all the time. So first of all, we need to find the limiting value of friction and kinetic friction. Limiting friction is equal to mu s into mass of B into G, that is equal to 0.3 into 20 into 10, that is equal to 60 Newton. That is the limiting friction, whereas kinetic friction is mu k mbg, that is equal to 0.1 into 20 into 10, and that is equal to 20 Newton. Now the block of mass 2 kg can experience a downward force of 2g, that is equal to 20 Newton, and it can experience a downward force of 10 Newton. As it can be seen that the force which could be acting on 20 kg block is even smaller than 20 Newton. So the velocity of the block C will reduce with time, that is, there will be retardation, and now we need to find how much this retardation is. Let tension here is T1. So on block B it is in rightward direction T1. As it is moving in rightward direction, as initial velocity of C is downward, friction is acting leftward, and this is kinetic friction. Let the tension in this string is T2. This is T2. And in this particular situation, let A be the acceleration of the blocks. So we can write 20 minus T1 is equal to 2A. T1 minus T2 minus the kinetic friction 20 Newton is equal to 20A, and T2 minus 10 is equal to 1A. Adding these three equations, we can find minus 10 is equal to 23A, or A is equal to minus 10 by 23 meter per second square, that is equal to minus 0.43 meter per second square. So 2 is suffering a retardation, or we can say it has an acceleration in upward direction and its value is 0.43 meter per second square. So acceleration of block C is approximately 0.43 meter per second square in upward direction. So B is correct option, and as there is retardation, its speed will decrease and block C will come to rest at some time. So C option is also correct. So correct options are B and C.